He has already pleaded guilty to 4 murders and 2 kidnappings in Idaho. Still, the legal battle over what's next for Joseph Duncan continues.
Today in a Boise courtroom, attorneys argued what evidence should be admissible when Duncan faces the death penalty in April. Every court hearing reveals new details of Joseph Duncan's murder spree and what led up to it. Tonight, KXLY4's Melissa Luck reveals new court documents showing Duncan's spending spree before he came to Idaho.
When Joseph Duncan pleaded guilty in 2006 to 3 murders at Wolf Lodge, he avoided a trial in Kootenai County. When he did the same in a federal courtroom late last year, it seemed we may never know all the details surrounding the pain he inflicted on the Groney family. But new court filings shed some light on Duncan's frame of mind before the Coeur d'Alene murders in 2005. Today, attorneys in Boise argued whether these financial records would be admissible when a jury decides Duncan's fate later this year. They outlined Duncan's financial transactions from early March of 2005 until he was arrested several months later in Coeur d'Alene. Most interesting are the transactions Duncan made before leaving his home in Fargo, 1 month before the Groney murders. April 13th at 2:30 p.m. at a Best Buy in Fargo, Duncan buys a digital camcorder, a telephoto lens, and the popular Xbox video game Half-Life, where the person playing the game acts as a shooter. Less than 2 hours later, at a Walmart in Fargo, Duncan buys another camcorder, a radar detector, and night vision goggles. And the next afternoon, at a Walgreens in nearby Moorhead, Minnesota, Duncan bought what appears to be supplies for his cross-country trip: water, trash bags, and snacks, a package of hair color, and a heart rate monitor, though it's not clear why. He also bought items presumably used in the commission of sexual acts against the Groney children. The charges stop April 28th at a KFC in Colorado, 3 weeks before the Wolf Lodge murders. I'm Melissa Luck, KXLY4.
A federal judge is still hearing motions on what evidence will be admissible when Duncan faces the death penalty. That sentencing trial is beginning April 14th in Boise. Now, the man who prosecuted Duncan in Kootenai County announced today he won't run for re-election. Bill Douglas, seen here, has been in Kootenai County's prosecutor since 1998. He was re-elected 4 times. He said today he's looking forward to new challenges and will stay in Kootenai County. His term is up in January of 2009.